If you also want to install a 3 kilowatt solar system from Luminous at your home, then right now you can install it in on-grid, off-grid or hybrid systems. All three will have different pricing. On-grid is the cheapest because it comes with subsidy. Mostly a 3 kilowatt on-grid system costs around 1,80,000 rupees and you get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. But this system is only beneficial for you if you have electricity available for 24 hours or at least during the full day. Second comes off grid where batteries are used. Because of batteries, its cost increases. Also, there is no subsidy on this, which makes it more expensive. Third comes hybrid, where the inverter itself is quite expensive. However, Luminous also offers transformer-based hybrid inverters, which I do not recommend. If you are going for hybrid, then choose transformer less technology only. We have already discussed the on-grid pricing. In off-grid, you can adjust the cost based on your budget and needs. Here, one of the best inverters is Solarverter Pro PCU 3kw from the ECO series, which costs around 30,000 rupees. This is a 3 battery inverter. That means you can build a 3 kilowatt system using 3 batteries. But on this, running around 2 kilowatt load is ideal. Within 2 kilowatt, you can run a 1-ton inverter air conditioner along with other household load. The inverter costs around 30,000 rupees as mentioned. If you install 3 batteries, their cost will be around 40,000 rupees. Apart from this, 3 kilowatt solar panels will cost around 55,000 to 60,000 rupees. It depends on the technology and wattage of panels you choose. After that, structure and wiring will cost around 20,000 to 25,000 rupees. If you go for a heavier structure, it can go up to 30,000 rupees. So, with 3 batteries, the total cost of a 3 kilowatt system will be around 1,50,000 rupees. If you want to run heavy load, meaning full 3 kilowatt load, then you need to choose a 5 kVA inverter. This will cost around 50,000 to 55,000 rupees. You will also need to add extra batteries. With this, your system becomes future proof. That means in future, you can install up to 5 kilowatt panels and build a full 5 kilowatt system. So your inverter cost increases and one extra battery cost is also added. In this case, your total cost will be around 1,80,000 to 1,90,000 rupees. If you also install extra structure so that later you only need to add panels, then you will need to install structure for extra 2 kilowatt. This will cost around 10,000 rupees extra. So overall, in less than 2 lakh rupees, you can build a future-proof system. Later, you only need to add 2 kilowatt panels to make it a full 5 kilowatt system. Now coming to hybrid systems. In hybrid, you mainly pay extra for the inverter. Luminous has recently launched a 3 kilowatt hybrid inverter, which costs around 85,000 to 90,000 rupees. Where earlier you were getting an off-grid inverter for 50,000 rupees, here you will spend 40,000 rupees more. So the total hybrid system cost becomes around 2,50,000 rupees. Now you need to decide which type of system you need. In all these systems, the panels are 3 kilowatt. So they will generate around 15 units per day. But the load you can run depends on your inverter. In on-grid, you can run as much load as you want. In off-grid, you can run around 2 kilowatt load. With a 5 kVA inverter, you can run full 3 kilowatt load. With a 3 kilowatt hybrid inverter, you can run around 3 kilowatt load. If you still have any questions or suggestions, then comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, then like and share it. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you keep getting such information from time to time.